Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register your Epson printer for warranty. So what you'll need to do is basically go to this website. It is official Epson website, epson.com/product-registration. And after that, what you'll need to do is select this where your Epson product is used. So for me, it is personal home. If you use for business, just select this one or this. So right here, I will select home, and you'll need to put some information right here, like first name, last name, email, and telephone. So basically, I will show you later what you'll need to do. After that, what you'll need to do is basically put your product information. So it will be a product serial number. So as you can see, if you click on that one, you'll see where you can find this number and basically put right here. And if you have a second product that you want to activate your warranty at the same time, you can just add a product like this and put the serial number of the other product. And after you put the serial number right here, you'll need to submit. And basically you'll need to click submit. Maybe you'll get a confirmation to your Gmail that you registered your device for warranty. And right here, I can't activate it right now because, as you can see, my serial number is already registered. So basically that's it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.